Thanks for clicking to WKBN.com. I want to walk through the timing and the outlook for potential for strong to severe storms on our Wednesday. We'll talk about the hazards and the setup as well. So first thing, this is the severe outlook for your Wednesday, and we're under that level 2 of 5 risk. Everywhere shaded in yellow, that's the slight risk category. What we'd be looking for is scattered strong to severe storms developing in this region, and it's something that we're paying particular attention to heading into Wednesday afternoon. As we go through the night, we'll be watching our dew points. Currently, as of Tuesday evening, very dry air is in place in eastern Ohio and western PA. There's a wall of more humid air that's moving into the region now, and that will be building in through the night into the daylight hours Wednesday. It becomes noticeably more humid. That humidity also, and that moisture, adding fuel to the atmosphere for storms to feed off of. This product is showing you that potential for energy for thunderstorms. It's showing the complicated term as convective available potential energy, but what it means is it's where there's good fuel for storms, and you start seeing those yellows and oranges nosing into eastern Ohio into the afternoon there. That's the time frame that we're watching closely. And also, as we go through the afternoon, any of those storms that are feeding off of that good energy could produce very heavy rainfall in a short amount of time. This is our excessive rainfall outlook. It's the lowest threat level, but what it shows is where we're watching across the country for the potential for pockets of flash flooding. Localized flash flooding not out of the question here, as any storms will produce very heavy rain. The upper level winds, well, those also start to strengthen into the afternoon, and that's going to help those storms try to increase in their potency as we go through those early afternoon hours. So the main threats that we're watching for, the greatest risk, will be storms capable of producing severe wind gusts and tapping into those strong winds in the atmosphere above. Tornado threat, it's lower, but it's not zero here. There will be some turning in the winds present in the atmosphere above, and that will try to allow for some embedded pockets of rotating thunderstorms and the clusters of storms we'll be watching for. So while it's not as great a threat, it's also not a zero threat. We need to closely monitor these storms, also watching for large hail and the potential there for localized flash flooding. The timing, it starts ramping up that severe threat into the afternoon, but in particular between the hours of 3 p.m. and 9 p.m., that looks like our greatest window for strong storms developing and moving through. As we walk through this on Future Tracker, we'll watch for showers starting to develop overnight into Wednesday morning. This is round 1. That first round comes with the potential for a soggy morning commute. Could be some rounds of heavier downpours or embedded rumbles of thunder. While this may be a little overdone what it's showing, that is the potential there for the first round through about mid-morning. Once that exits, this time frame is very crucial in our severe threat materializing in the afternoon. The data coming in this evening shows those clouds breaking and giving us some sunshine as we get that moisture moving in, as warmer air moves in. This would enhance our temperatures, helping us spike to the upper 80s. Without that sun during the early afternoon hours, that may suppress that severe threat a little bit, but all indications right now are that we'll have good sun coming in. That's going to enhance that risk between 3, 4, and 5 o'clock for those strong to severe storms to try and move through the region. Lingering into the early evening hours will still be some downpours and the chance for a rumble of thunder. As the sun sets, though, that severe threat starts winding down, and then we'll be looking at cooler weather setting up into your Thursday. In fact, cooler weather, what we'll be dealing with for really several days after this storm system. 6 to 10 day temperature outlook paints a big blue bullseye across the northeast Ohio and western PA, where we're looking at below normal temperatures through a large part of that extended outlook. So stay weather alert for our Wednesday. We will be here tracking that threat closely for you. Myself and Storm Team 27 Chief Meteorologist Paul Wetzel will be here. We'll keep you updated, and also download that Storm Team 27 weather app that will send weather alerts right to your phone as they're issued. Thanks, Jeff.